Hello, welcome. Today we're looking at a mechanism that converts linear motion to rapid rotary motion. For our linear motion, you can see we're moving a piece of 1x2 back and forth in a reciprocating manner. Our rotary motion is a flywheel that we made out of the top of a food storage container. Our flywheel will turn at an average speed of about 1600 RPM. That's not super rapid, but it's pretty fast relative to the speed of the linear motion that we are providing. So how do we convert this linear motion into rotary motion? That is done using these two wheels here, these big wheels with the orange tape on them, and these two gears. These little wheels at the top are used to keep the big wheels in place when the machine is running at a high rate of speed. When we move our stick back and forth, it causes these big wheels to turn. It also moves the wheels horizontally. Depending on the direction that we're pushing, it either moves the wheel up against the gear or moves it away from the gear. When the wheel is pushed up against the gear, it causes the gear to turn. So let's take a look at our gears. The gear on the left is called the drive gear. This gear is connected directly to the flywheel. When the drive gear turns, the flywheel turns in the same direction. The gear on the right is called the idle gear. The idle gear is not connected directly to the flywheel. However, it meshes with the drive gear. So when the idle gear turns, it turns the drive gear, which then turns the flywheel. So when we move the stick from left to right, it is going to push the left-hand big wheel up against the drive gear, turn the wheel, which will turn the gear, which causes the flywheel to rotate. It happens pretty fast, and it's kind of hard to see, even in slow-mo like this, but that is what's happening. When we move the stick from right to left, it forces the right-hand big wheel up against the idle gear. It turns the wheel, which turns the idle gear, which turns the drive gear, which causes the flywheel to rotate. Regardless of which way we move the stick, the flywheel always turns in the same direction. If we stop moving the stick, the flywheel will continue to turn. This is how we can preserve momentum. So that's our mechanism that converts linear motion to rapid rotary motion. One of the fun things we did with our mechanism is to build a trebuchet or a catapult that we can use to hurl small objects. Please check back with this channel because we're going to be making a video about the trebuchet too. Thank you very much for watching.